Hey kids, here are two stories from the news for Friday, July 1. The first story is about improving drone landings. Researchers in Oxford are studying how birds perch so that they can improve the way drones land. Drones need flat ground to land, while most birds will land on a tree branch. Researchers used high-speed cameras to study how birds, large and small, are able to perch. They found that large birds swoop and pull up just before landing to grab their target. The next story is about a giant thermos. In Germany, they are building a really large thermos to provide hot water for people in Berlin. It works similar to the thermos you have at home to keep water warm. It is 4 to 5 meters tall and can hold 5 to 6 million liters of water. It will hold water brought to almost boiling temperature using electricity from solar and wind power plants across Germany. That was the headlines for today. Subscribe to Daily STEAM news and activities at kidsnewslabs.com.